Today I'm gonna make frying pan pizza. Got some pizza dough, nice fresh pizza dough. Got a nice frying pan over here. I'm gonna spray it up with some spray. Whatever kind of spray you like, or maybe some oil or something. Famous frying pan. Shape it nicely into whatever shape of a pan you have. It's like the original old-fashioned pan pizza, except in a frying pan. And you can make it however you like now. Would you believe I saw this on a cartoon show the other day? I did. I think they called it ballpark pizza or something like that. Is there such a thing? Do they do that somewhere in a ballpark? Maybe. But I have to try it here. First, I'm going to warm up that side, then I'm going to flip it over and put my toppings on. Here we go to the stove. Alright, first process. Let's heat up that side till I think it's nice and brown. Flip it over and put the toppings on. Alright, we know pizza ovens are like 800 degrees, I believe. Am I right? It's going to be a good supper or a snack. It's starting to smell like good pizza dough though. Baking.
Oh.
Get it brown. I already made it on the grill outside too, just like this. Without a frying pan, right on the grill. And you can too. If you get an air bubble, you should poke a hole in it. I hear a little sizzle. Well, I have my stove on high. Look at that. Keeping an eye on it. Remember, that's going to be the bottom. Put the top down there right now. See how brown it might look. If at all. Oh, okay, almost. That'll be good for the top. And while the bottom's cooking, our toppings are going to melt deliciously. Oh, that's nice. That's really good. Frying pan pizza. Try it. Let's give it a flip. Look at that. Now I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. Let me get my toppings. A bit of pizza sauce. Not too much unless you like a lot. It's going to be a nice pan pizza. Eddie, you can make these at home now, right? Yep. I like mine then with some mozzarella. I think I should put a lid on this. Oregano, if you like that.
Some garlic or anything?
I want some pepperoni. I'd like to flip it over again. Get yourself a piece of dough. You also sell dough pre-made about the size of this, small ones, or get a bigger frying pan. Beautiful. Like a couple hot peppers on mine. Anybody like hot peppers? Just skip that. We got anchovies too, to put black olives, but this is all I'm doing right now. Green peppers, onions, whatever you like. Okay. Now the secret is the top is warm already, so everything's melting good. Look how quick that was. A couple minutes, right?
Yeah.
Made a little mess here. That's okay. It's coming out nicely though. Something missing there? Another hot pepper? Another pepperoni? Put a fancy lid on top. That's going to help. Heat's on about medium. A couple minutes, I think it's going to be ready. Smell it. Whoa. Probably almost done. Could have made yours however you like. Rounder, squarer. Look at that. Whoa. Nice on the bottom. Nice. 2 minutes. I believe it's done. Now remember, this is the first time I ever made this, so I can perfect it. Just slide it off onto the cutting board over here. Look at that. Yeah, sizzle. Look at that. You want one of those? Let that cool a couple minutes so I don't get one of them 3rd-degree pizza burns. Okay, a couple minutes. I can't wait no more. Have to cut through it. What do you think? 4 slices? Less of that. I'm still gonna let it cool. 5 seconds. I gotta take a bite of it. From this to this to this. Want to see the bottom? I think the bottom's a little brown like it would have been in an oven. See? I got a pizza place. Oh, I like it like that. I should have left it get like that, then flip it over and have a little bit of that on top. But this is going to be just good enough. I really hope I don't burn myself. But I got to taste it for you. Manja. Time to eat. Let's go. Hot pepper, pepperoni, cheesy cheese, thick, crunchy, hot frying pan pizza. Stovetop pizza. Oven top pizza. Make it however you like, but it's easy. I like it. Try in your frying pan. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. I'll see you Friday.